Now, overall, you will not be lost in the accounting module in Motility Anywhere. The functionality is essentially the exact same as the Infinity program. Some things have kind of resituated on the screen a little bit, but the same exact things can be done. So for instance, writing checks. When you go ahead and click the print check option, it wants to know which bank account you are creating a check for, and you can click create check. Now, also from that screen, if you have automatic check writing enabled, you can click that to go ahead and start a batch. Now, this does look a little bit different up top. This top section is all the check info section, the payee section. Now, if I was writing a check, I can go ahead and add an existing entity or create a new entity to be able to write a check for them. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to click over a check in the list of checks to the left. These are checks that happened during this month. And that way I can go ahead and show you what it looks like when we've selected an entity and a little bit more information to show on the for the actual check itself. So these fields all work just like the Infinity system. If there are payable amounts due to the entity selected, they will show in this list. And then I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. And when we go ahead to actually cut the check, the transaction that's created shows right here. So again, very similar to the Infinity program, a little bit different layout up at the top, especially with the payee. But the payee information, if I go ahead and let me move my little help out of the way because it's in front of my button. For the payees, all I would need to do is hit add existing entity, and then I can do a search for them. So if I'm looking for a specific entity here, and again, I'm going to be able to go ahead and do all the things that I need to do and say what I'm paying on this check. It creates the accounting transaction at the bottom. I can then click print and print it out. It will pop open a preview for me. And then my status will update to say it's been printed. It assigns the check number and I'm all set. So again, not much has changed between the Infinity program and Motility Anywhere. Again, very straightforward. Same steps to cut checks. Again, if you have any questions, please do feel free to type them into the Q&A so I can get those answered for you.